Converting product categories into global attributes, it's a difficult process, but we want to show you the easiest way to do it without long and confusing steps. You can convert product categories into attributes like colors, sizes, etc. You just need to install the WP Sheet Editor Taxonomy Terms plugin. It creates a spreadsheet for every type of taxonomy you have on your WordPress site. A spreadsheet for categories, a spreadsheet for tags, and so on. You can use any field as a search parameter, apply massive changes to your taxonomies, export and import taxonomy terms. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. We will show you how to convert product categories into colors. Just keep in mind that by following this method you can convert your categories into any other global attribute. You can convert the product categories individually in the spreadsheet by going to the taxonomy column and change the values. For example, you can convert them into colors by selecting product color in that column. Then, hit the Save button to save the changes. If you have hundreds of product categories to convert into colors, it will be more efficient to convert them all at once. Just open the Bulk Edit tool. We can manually select the categories we want to convert into colors using the checkbox picker. Optionally, you can search for all categories containing a specific keyword. One way or another, you need to open the Bulk Edit tool after selecting the categories you will convert. Now select the taxonomy field. Set value. Since we want to convert the product categories into colors, select product color and execute to complete the process. Now your selected categories have been converted into attributes. Let's explore how to convert product colors into categories. It's just the opposite, so let's open the product colors spreadsheet. If you have just a few product colors to convert into categories, you can convert them individually. Just go to the taxonomy column and then select product category. Finally, apply the changes by hitting the Save button. If you want to convert hundreds or thousands of product colors into categories, you'd better do it automatically using the Bulk Edit tool. We can manually select the items we'll convert, or we can filter them by keyword. Whatever the selection method, open the Bulk Edit tool and select the taxonomy field to be edited. Now select Set Value, Product Category, and finally, execute the change. If we check the spreadsheet now, the colors that we selected were converted to product categories and no longer appear here. WP Sheet Editor makes converting categories into global attributes and vice versa an easy process. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, as well as the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.